Welcome back to Learnerpreneur. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record TikTok without holding the button. So go ahead and open up TikTok and click on the plus icon, which is at the bottom in the center. It'll bring you to a page that looks like this. If you'd like to add an audio track, click on the sounds icon at the top center and choose which audio track that you'd like. For today's example, we'll just choose the top one and click the red check mark when you decided. Next part, you're going to want to go to the right-hand side. Fifth down, you're going to see an icon that says timer. Click on timer. It's going to ask you to decide the recording time for the upcoming recording. The minimum is 3 seconds. So we'll go ahead and choose 3 seconds. After you've decided, you can go ahead and click start shooting. Gives you a countdown. Here we go. My crazy mug on video, filming TikTok without using my hands. You can add some filters, adjust the clips, add a voiceover on the right-hand top side. You can also change the sounds, the effects, the text, and stickers on the bottom left. After you've decided that you've liked it and made some changes, click on the bottom right for next. It's going to process your video. You can describe your video, add some hashtags, tag it to friends, decide who can view this video. It's a ridiculous video. I think I will make it private. And you can allow for comments, allow for duets, and save or not save to your device. After you're done, go ahead and click post. And there you have it. You have officially recorded TikTok without holding the button. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please smash that subscribe and give it a thumbs up so YouTube knows that you liked it as well. As always, I hope you have a great day wherever you are. Take care.